High protection sunscreen is the only best thing to invest in if you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, acne, wrinkles, and all other skin problems. Why? Because it protects you from harmful UV and UVB rays, which causes hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, and much more in the long run. And not only that, high protection sunscreen will also protect you from pollution, harmful effects of infrared rays, blue light, and high energy visible light. So today in this video, I am going to share with you one of the best and very high protection sunscreen with highest SPF of 80 and PA rating of plus. And this sunscreen is lightweight, non-oily and non-greasy, that's especially suitable for dry, sensitive and redness prone skin. Also, I have added my review at the end of the video and I will show you its exact texture as well. So don't miss it. So are you excited to know that? Let's get into the video. And before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hello beauty, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashika and I'm all about skincare, hair care and passionate about addressing and resolving pigmentation, acne and even skin tone, hair fall, hair thinning and much more with properly formulated products. And this channel is all about letting you know what you actually needed for the glowing skin and healthy hair. So if you're madly into skincare and love exploring huge range of products, or you're just a beginner and don't know what is skincare, how to do or where to start, then consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon to not miss any of my informative videos. Also, if you like anyone in the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you have any queries or doubts, feel free to comment below. And if you're facing any pigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and wanna try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. Investing in a good high protection sunscreen is better than buying too many serums, moisturizers and treatment products. In a nutshell, it's totally waste of money to buy multiple skincare products without buying a properly formulated broad spectrum sunscreen. As you might know, sun is the first enemy to skincare, which will nullify all the effects of a whole morning and night skincare routine. So it's worth investing in a good high protection sunscreen with broad spectrum sun protection. And you wanna know that holy grail sunscreen? Here is that. FCL lightweight, non-greasy, broad spectrum SPF 80 lotion with PA+++ and plus. Yes guys, it's not PA triple plus, it's PA 4 pluses. And here is the benefit of using FCL SPF 80 sunscreen lotion. The key ingredients of the sunscreen, Suncat D, Ecotine, Melanin, Uvinol A+, and titanium dioxide help increases the skin defense and resistance to UV light, blue light, infrared light, and high energy visible light. It claims to protect from environmental pollution as well. This ultra sheer, mattifying, non-oily, non-shiny, and weightless finish is perfect for all day use. And it's especially suitable for dry and sensitive skin types who want to use broad spectrum sunscreen without getting any irritations or uncomfortness. And here is my review segment. Before letting you know my experience and thoughts, let me share my skin type so it will be easy for you to understand accurately. My skin type lies between combination to dry, and sometimes I get sensitive too. For me, it's one of the go-to sunscreen when I go out or when I stay long hours in the sun. And not only that, I like using it even indoors if I am under pigmentation treatment period. So why I love this sunscreen? The high SPF of 80 and PA 4 pluses made me so loving even indoors, and I feel so comfortable by being nicely protected from skin damaging sun rays. And true to its claim, it gives me a mattifying, non-greasy, non-oily, lightweight and no shiny look, which I love the most. And any cons did I have? Yes, I have little concern with white cast, but not much. Initially it gives me little white cast, but once I start blending it nicely, it automatically goes off. And when I sweat a lot, it forms white patches here and there. But when compared to its super broad spectrum and high protection formula, it made me use it again and again to protect from harmful UV rays. Also, I can't completely agree with the water resistant property, because when it gets in contact with water, it slightly starts to come off. I think it might be sweat resistant or water resistant for some time. However, it needs reapplication once we nicely get wet or once we get contact into the water. Peeling off sunscreen. Yes, what I learned with this sunscreen is I should not rub my fingers too many times to blend the product. Just blending it until it gets absorbed. Once it gets absorbed, I will take my hands and fingers off from the face. And another thing is, I will leave 10 minutes of gap between skincare routine and sunscreen application, because it will further help with sunscreen peeling. Apart from this, I like this sunscreen so much and will give it 4.5 stars. However, even these cons are not a problem for me when compared to its super high protection and broad spectrum sunscreen qualities. Do you want to know more of broad spectrum and high protection sunscreen? Then check out the second link in the description box below. She will tell you the best high protection sunscreen according to your skin type, and not only that, she will also help you design personalized and effective skincare routine as well. So if you're interested, check it out. I hope you find this video helpful and got some value out of it. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. Also, if you want more like this video, click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified each time when I upload a video. Like I said before, if you have any hyperpigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and want to try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. And thanks for patiently watching my video. I will see you soon with another interesting and informative video on skincare. Until then, bye from Ashika.